Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to rename tags on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're working on Asana and you accidentally named a tag incorrectly. How do you actually go ahead and rename that tag? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, go ahead and click onto the tag which you want to go ahead and rename. So let's take Twitter, for example. Next, click on the drop-down menu where it says Actions on the upper left-hand corner, and then go ahead and click on Rename Tag. Go ahead and set the desired name, and then click on Update Tag. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and rename a tag on Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.